Hey guys, Blunderluck here, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be comparing the JBL by Arman and the InPods 12. I previously did an unboxing video for the JBL and I showed you guys a sound test of how the JBL sounds. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna tell you guys, like, the JBL is gonna be better than the InPods, so that's just it. But I just want to do a basic comparison because the prices are a little bit similar. The JBL is just a little bit expensive, I think about $5 more expensive than the InPods 12. So first, let's look at the build of the JBL. The build of the JBL is basically a matte finish. It's pretty much similar to the InPods 12. The InPods 12 is also a matte finish. This just comes in white and black, while the InPods 12 obviously has various colors, but this is the Macron variant, the blue variant. So why don't we put this aside as well. So we're gonna bring out the devices and you guys can have a look. Obviously the JBL Arman is just basically your normal AirDots, while the InPods 12 are modeled after the AirPods, the Apple AirPods. So why don't we just get the sound test off with so we can see what the sound test is like and you can see if you guys can enjoy the music. So we're gonna start with the InPods. When you want to connect the InPods, the first thing it shows is AirPods. Actually, it doesn't show InPods 12, so we're gonna connect that. Okay, so the InPods, once it's connected, then it shows i12. It doesn't show InPods, it shows i12. So we're done with that, so we're gonna play some music. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's at maximum sound, but the bass in the JBL was definitely better. Okay, so that sounded pretty good. I mean, it's pretty good for the price. I definitely love the InPods. You can check all my videos. I always tell you guys I love the InPods, but now let's check the JBL. I'm definitely sure it's gonna be way better than the InPod sound. So I'm gonna disconnect from the InPods and change to the JBL. Okay, so I'm connected to the JBL now, and we're gonna play music so you guys can listen to the sound. Okay, sorry, still connected to the InPods. Okay, so I'm connected to the... Okay, just disconnected from the InPods and connected to the JBL. So we're gonna do a sound test for that. Okay, so... So as you guys can see, the JBL has a louder sound than the InPods 12, but the JBLs are definitely a bit more expensive, and I don't really like the look of the JBL compared to the InPods, but I'm gonna leave you guys to decide which one you like. So I'm gonna drop a link for both of them below, and I'm also gonna drop a link for the unboxing I did for both of them below. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. And thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.